हेलो स्टूडेंट्स आज हम इस वीडियो में सीक्वेंस सीरीज टॉपिक को कंटिन्यू करेंगे और वो भी एमसीक्यूज क्वेश्चंस के साथ। लास्ट वीडियो में बच्चों हमने डिस्कस किया था जनरल टर्म ऑफ एन एपी मींस nth टर्म ऑफ एपी an इज इक्वल टू a प्लस n माइनस 1 इनटू डी। नाउ इस वीडियो में हम पढ़ेंगे बच्चों सम ऑफ n टर्म्स ऑफ एपी। सम ऑफ n terms of AP means if AP given है बेटा A, if AP is given A plus D, A plus 2D and अगर आपने सम फाइंड आउट करना है फॉर सम फॉर्मूला यूज करोगे n by 2 2A plus n minus 1 into D और n by 2 A plus L, n by 2 A plus L। नाउ देखो बच्चों बहुत बेसिक फॉर्मूला क्वेश्चंस, basic questions बेटा। If the sum of n terms of an AP is 3n square plus 5n, if sum given है बेटा 3n square plus 5n and its mth term is 164, mth term given है बेटा 164, find the value of m find out करनी है। Given है students Sn is equal to this number, Sn is equal to 3n square plus 5n, बेटा Sn given है 3n square plus 5n, sum of n terms given है students। Now find out करो students S1, S1 means value of n 1 पुट करोगे बेटा, value of n 1 पुट करोगे this number is 8, 1 पुट करोगे 3 into 1 plus 5 into 1 8, S2 पुट करोगे बेटा this term is 3 into 2 square plus 5 into 2, this is 4 into 3 12 plus 10 22, S3 find out करोगे बेटा S3 3 into 3 square plus 5 into 3, 27 plus 15 42। क्लियर है स्टूडेंट्स? सम ऑफ टर्म्स क्लियर है बेटा। नाउ नेक्स्ट टर्म बेटा, फर्स्ट टर्म इज इक्वल टू सम ऑफ फर्स्ट टर्म इज सेम टर्म, फर्स्ट टर्म एंड द सम ऑफ फर्स्ट टर्म इज सेम टर्म बेटा, दिस टर्म इज 8। नाउ second term means beta sum of two terms minus sum of first term, sum of two terms minus sum of first term करोगे बेटा means 22 minus 8, this term is equal to 14, this is our second term। third term A3 means sum of three terms minus sum of two terms, out of three terms two terms subtract करोगे remaining term बचेगी third term, remaining term is third term, that is S3 minus S2, S3 minus S2, this is 42 minus 22 and the value is equal to 20 up to so on। Now our sequence is 8 14 20 up to so on is our sequence term है बेटा 8 8 14 20 up to so on and its mth term is given है बेटा, mth term given है is equal to 164, mth term is equal to 164 given है बेटा, mth term is 164, mth term given है, a given है, d find out हो जाएगा, then find out करो value of m find out करो बेटा, value of m। now for value of m बेटा use करोगे बेटा term value of m, mth term formula apply करो स्टूडेंट्स, mth term formula a plus m minus 1 into d is equal to 164, value of a 8, value of d m minus 1 into value of d is 6, 14 minus 8 value of d is 6 is equal to 164, therefore 8 plus 6m minus 6 is equal to 164, that is 6m is equal to 164 minus 2, therefore value of m is equal to 162 divided by 6, 162 divided by 6, this is 6 to the 6 7, 27 is your final answer, therefore value of m is 27, therefore B option is your final answer students, B option final answer है। क्लियर है बेटा? This is the value of m, बहुत सिंपल सम है बेटा। नाउ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखोगे बेटा, बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है, एनसीईआरटी क्वेश्चन है स्टूडेंट फॉर योर फर्स्ट एग्जाम, इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन। द सम ऑफ n टर्म्स ऑफ टू अरिथमेटिक प्रोग्रेशंस, the sum of n terms of two arithmetic progressions are in the ratio of 3n plus 8, ratio 7n plus 15. Beta, ratio of two APs, if the sum of n terms of two arithmetic progressions hai, means two different terms given hai beta. First expression is a plus d, a plus 2d up to so on given hai. And the second expression is, second term is a plus d, and second expression is a plus d, a plus 2d up to so on. Are in the ratio of this term. Sum of n terms means sum of n terms of these two APs, ratio of these two terms is equal to this term by this term. Find the ratio of their 12th term. Ratio of 12th term means A11 upon A11. The ratio of 11 12th term means A11 upon A11. Means, students check karo. Sum of n terms upon sum of n terms is equal to, given hai beta, 3n plus 8 whole divided by 7n plus 15. Beta check karo, value of Sn, sum formula apply karo. For both the sequences, sum formula apply karoge. This term is n upon 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d whole upon n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d is equal to 3n plus 8 is equal to 3n plus 8 whole divided by 7n plus 15. n by 2 beta cancel ho jayega. n by 2 cancel and remaining term a 2a plus n minus 1 into d, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Now, ratio of 12th term find out, students. Ratio of 12th term. For 12th term means the required term is ratio of 12th term means A12 upon A12 is your required term. This is our required term. That means A plus 11D upon A plus 11D is your required term. This term is your required term. A12 upon A12. That means first required. This term is 2A. 2A term hai, but required term is A. So we divide by 2 both side. Divide by 2 karo beta, both side. Divide by 2 both side. Divide by 2 because A required hai, divide by 2 karo both numerator and denominator. In both numerator and denominator. Now numerator term is equal to A plus, divide by 2 karo in numerator, n minus 1 upon 2d whole divided by A plus n minus 1 upon 2d is equal to 3n plus 8 whole divided by 7n plus 50. Divide by 2 karoge, a plus n minus 1 upon 2d, a plus n minus 1 by 2d. Now value of n minus 1 by 2d is equal to 11. This term is 11, but in this term we have this part, n minus 1 by 2d. Now put karo value n minus 1 by 2 is equal to 11. n minus 1 upon 2 is equal to 11. Therefore this term is equal to, value of n is equal to 22 plus 1 is 23. Value of n is equal to 23. Our required term is 11. Therefore we let this term as a 11. n minus 1 by 2 as a 11. Therefore value of n is 23. Now we assume this term as a 11. This term as a 11. Therefore our term is A11d upon A plus 11d. Because we assume this term as a 11 is equal to 3. Value of n put karo beta. Value of n is 23 plus 8 whole divided by 7 into 23 plus 50. Simplify karo. Simplification beta. This is 23 into 3, 69 plus 8, 77. 69 plus 8 is 77. This term is equal to 77 upon 23 into 7, 21, 14. This term is 176. 176. Now divide by 11 करोगे बेटा, divide by 11, this is 7 by 16. 7 by 16 is your final answer and our option is 7 by 16 means A option is beta final answer. A option is your final answer. 7 by 16 means A option is your final answer. A option 7 by 16 option A is your final answer. क्लियर है स्टूडेंट्स? काफी इजी क्वेश्चन है आपके लिए एंड इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है, एनसीईआरटी क्वेश्चन ये काफी इंपॉर्टेंट, अच्छा इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन अगेन फॉर स्कूल एग्जाम्स के लिए. If the ratio of the sum of n terms, if the ratio of sum of m and n terms of an AP is m square by n square, then ratio of its mth and nth term. Given a ratio of sum of m and n terms of an AP. Now in this question AP is single term, single AP है, is m square by n square है. Then रेशियो फाइंड आउट करो बेटा फॉर mth एंड nth टर्म, रेशियो फाइंड आउट करोगे फॉर mth एंड nth टर्म. नाउ सम ऑफ m टर्म्स अपॉन सम ऑफ n टर्म्स ऑफ अ सिंगल एपी गिवन है बेटा m स्क्वायर बाय n स्क्वायर, m स्क्वायर अपॉन n स्क्वायर. फॉर्मूला अप्लाई करो स्टूडेंट्स. फॉर्मूला फॉर सम ऑफ m टर्म्स ऑफ एपी, दिस इज m by 2 2a plus m minus 1 into d whole divided by n upon 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d is equal to m square upon n square. कैंसिल हो जाएगा बेटा 2 2 and m with 1 this m and n with 1 this m and n कैंसिल हो जाएगा. Our remaining term is 2a plus m minus 1 into d, 2a plus m minus 1 into d, remaining term है बेटा 2a plus m minus 1 into d whole divided by 2a plus n minus 1 into d is equal to m upon n. क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करो स्टूडेंट्स, क्रॉस मल्टीप्लीकेशन हो जाएगी बेटा. After cross multiplication, our term is 2an. Cross multiplication 2an plus n into m minus 1 into d is equal to 2am plus m into n minus 1 into d. M minus n into d. Now, this term is equal to 2an minus 2am is equal to m n minus 1 into d minus n into m minus 1 into d. कॉमन आ जाएगा बेटा 2a, इंटरनल टर्म इज n minus m. नाउ d कॉमन बेटा, दिस टर्म इज mn minus mn plus n. mn कैंसिल हो जाएगा स्टूडेंट्स, रिमेनिंग टर्म इज 2a plus n minus m equal to d n minus m. Term cancel again, therefore 2a is equal to d. This term is your final result. Now find out करो students, find out करो the ratio of m and nth term, ratio of mth and nth term, ratio of mth and nth term बेटा find out करोगे, ratio of mth and nth term. To find the ratio of mth and nth term, formula apply करो बेटा for mth term and for nth term. Apply formula for mth term and nth term. देखो स्टूडेंट्स, for mth term and nth term formula apply करोगे, ratio of mth term upon nth term, mth term upon nth term is equal to a plus m minus 1 into d whole divided by a plus n minus 1 into d. Now, a plus m minus 1 into d, value of d 2a whole divided by a plus n minus 1 into d again 2a. 2a कॉमन आ जाएगा, a कॉमन आ जाएगा बेटा, a कॉमन 1 plus 2m minus 2 whole divided by a common 1 plus 2n minus 2. 2n minus 2. A cancel beta. And the remaining term is 2m minus 1 upon 2n minus 1. Remaining term is 2m minus 1 upon 2n minus 1. Remaining term 2m minus 1 upon 2n minus 1. This is our final ratio. Final ratio है बेटा 2m minus 1 upon 2n minus 1. Option B is your correct answer. Ratio of mth and nth term is option B and this is your final answer. बहुत simple question, काफी important question for your first term exams. Now, next time बेटा, again अच्छा important question है. If S1, S2, S3 are the ratio of, if S1, S2, S3 are the ratio of N, 2n and 3n terms respectively of an AP, then S3 upon S2 minus S1. Find the value of S3 upon S2 minus S1. S3 upon S2 minus S1 beta find out करोगे. S1 is equal to N upon 2, 2A plus N minus 1 into D. Similarly, S2 is equal to N 2N by 2, 2A plus N 2N minus 1 into D. Similarly, S3 is equal to 3N by 2, 2A plus 3N minus 1 into D. These are the values for terms. S1, S2 and S3. Values for S1, S2 and S3. Now, find the value of this number hai beta, S3 upon S2 minus S1. Find the value of this term. First of all, we solve denominator. Our denominator term is dr means we use as a denominator S2 minus S1. Subtract karo students S2 minus S1 for our denominator term. For our denominator term S2 minus S1 karo students. This term is 2n by 2, 2a plus 2n minus 1 into d minus n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. बेटा n by 2 कॉमन आ जाएगा. n by 2 कॉमन, n by 2 is common term. n by 2 कॉमन हो जाएगा students. Now multiply 2 with this number. This is 4a plus 2 into this term. 2 into this number, that is 4nd minus 2d minus n by 2 common है 2a minus n d minus g. Clear है students? Now 2a is equal to value of 2a is equal to 4a minus 2a, value of 2a नहीं, 4a minus 2a. This number is 2a. 4nd minus nd. This is 3nd. 3nd minus 3d. Our common number is 3nd minus 3d. Oh, sorry. Mistake. My mistake है बेटा. It's my mistake. Minus minus. बेटा minus internal shift करोगे. Therefore, this term is minus nd and minus minus is plus d. Minus minus plus d. Therefore, minus 2d and d is minus d. This number is minus d. Clear, students? Now, this term is equal to S3. This term is equal to S3. D common करोगे बेटा. This is equal to S3. Means S2 minus S1. S2 minus S1 is equal to, not equal to S3. This is n by 2 2a minus this term. We use this term as a denominator term. We use this number as a denominator term. We use this number as a denominator term and substitute in this equation. Please substitute in this equation. Now our term is S1, S3. Our question is S3 upon S2 minus S1. Substitute these values in our question term. Now S3 value is this term. This is 3n upon 2, 2a plus 3n minus 1 into d whole divided by this number n upon 2, 2a plus 3n minus 1 into d. 3n minus 1 into d. This term is cancelled. Complete term cancel हो जाएगी except this 3. Only number बचेगा बेटा 3. Therefore S3 upon S2 minus S1 is equal to 3 is your final answer. 3 C option is your बेटा final answer है. C option. C option is your final answer. बहुत easy question and important question for your exams. Next बेटा result. If ABC are in AP, if ABC are in AP, then result is 2B is equal to A plus C. Means common difference same है बेटा. It means common difference same. Means B minus A is equal to C minus B. Shift करोगे बेटा. B plus B is equal to C plus A. That is equal to 2B is equal to A plus C. If three numbers are in AP, then we use 2B is equal to A plus C. Now, A, B, C, D, E are in AP, then the value of this term. Find out karo value of this term. For this question, we use our result, but if A, B, C, D, E are in AP, then possible है बेटा लिखना A, C, E are in AP. Means, in this case, if common difference is D, then between A and C, common difference is 2D. Between A and C, common difference is 2D हो जाएगा. मतलब double common difference हो जाएगा if we skip any term. But AP है. We use A, C, E are in AP and B, C, D are AP. Are in AP. Both terms are in AP हैं बेटा. A, C, E are in AP and B, C, D are in AP. Now, A, C, E are in AP है बेटा. That means 2C is equal to A plus E. According to our result, 2C is equal to A plus E. And according to our result, 2C is equal to B plus D. 2C is equal to B plus T. 2C is equal to A plus E. Now, value of term देखो बेटा. Value of this expression A minus 4B plus 6C minus 4D plus C. Check करो students. Separate करो A and D. This term is A plus C minus 4 common beta B plus D plus 6C. Separate term है 6C. Our term is 6C. Value of A plus C from first term, that is equal to 2C. Value of B plus D is 2C. Convert हो जाएगा question in terms of C. That is equal to 2C minus 4 into 2C plus 6C. 8C minus 8C. 6C plus 2C, 8C, 4 into 2, 8C. 8C minus 8C is equal to 0. Therefore, our final answer is 0. 0 means B option. Check करो बेटा, B option is your final answer. Clear है students? बहुत easy question. Now, next question, next term बेटा, arithmetic mean. Arithmetic mean find out करना है between two numbers. अगर arithmetic mean बेटा find out करना है between two numbers. Between two numbers अगर arithmetic mean find out करना है, if we have A and B two numbers हैं, for single arithmetic mean, we use A is equal to A plus B by 2. We use A is equal to A plus B by 2. Now, for example, if we have number 2 and 10, the single arithmetic mean between these two numbers is A is equal to 10 plus 2 by 2. That is equal to 6. Single arithmetic means is A plus B upon 2. Clear as students? Now, for n arithmetic means, if n AMs are inserted between two numbers A and B. For n arithmetic means, if we have A1, A2, A3, A4, and n AMs inserted between these two numbers A and B. For this case, we find the value of D. First of all, we find the value of D, that is equal to B minus A upon n plus 1. First of all, we find the value of D, that is equal to B minus A upon n plus 1. Now, value of D is B minus A upon n plus 1. This is a sequence of AP. AP है. A1, actually A1 is the second term of AP. A1 is the second term of AP. That means value of A1 is A plus D. A2 means second AM. Second AM, but third term of AP. Second AM है बेटा, but third term of AP है. Third term of AP, that means we use this term as a A plus 2D. A3 means A plus 3D. Up to so on. AN means A plus ND. Actually, it is a N plus 1th term of AP, but Nth AM. For AM, we use same number in D. A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, up to so on, AN. Clear hai students? First of all, find out करोगे बेटा D. And the value of D is B minus A upon N plus 1. Now, देखो बेटा, find three arithmetic means between 3 and 19. Two numbers हैं बेटा, 3 and 19 means value of A is 3, value of B is 19. 3 AMs insert करो. If we insert 3 AMs between these numbers, 3 AMs insert करो between these two numbers. Now value of D is 19 minus 3 upon 3 plus 1. That is equal to 16 upon 4 means 4. Value of D is equal to 4. Value of D बेटा 4 आ जाएगा. Now value of D 4 है बेटा. Now A1, first AM. A1 means first AM is A plus D. A plus D, capital D लिखो. A plus D, that is equal to 3 plus 4 means 7. First AM is 7. Second AM, A plus 2D means 3 plus 2 into 4. That is equal to 11. Third AM, A plus 3D. That is equal to 3 plus 3 into 4. 15. 15 AM. Our AMs are 7, 11 and 15 means our A option is correct option. A option is your correct option. A option is your final answer. Easy question है बेटा, काफी easy. Next question देखो बेटा. There are n AMs between 1 and 31. Between 1 and 31, if we have m AMs, if the ratio of 7th and m minus 1th means, mean है बेटा, term नहीं, mean means same number choose हो जाएगा. First of all, we find the value of D. For the value of D, we have 31 minus 1 upon m plus 1. The value of D is equal to 30 upon m plus 1. 30 upon m plus 1. Now, m AMs means m's AM inserted between 1 and 31 means first number 1 hai, then AM first, A2, A3 up to so on AM between 1 and 31 hai beta. Value of A7 and A given hai A7 upon AM minus 1 is equal to 5 by 9. This term is our given number. Given term hai beta A7 upon AM minus 1. Value of A7. A plus MD upon value of this number A plus A, A7 means A plus 7D. Same number use हो जाएगा बेटा. For AM we use same term A plus 7D because it is a 8th term of AP but 7th AM. Similarly, A plus M minus 1 into D is equal to 5 by 9. Value of A is 1. A1B 31 है. Value of A 1 है. Put करो and cross multiplication करो. 9. 1 plus 7D is equal to 5. 1 plus M minus 1 into D. 1 plus M minus 1 into D. Cross multiplication हो जाएगा बेटा. Cross multiplication. Multiplication करोगे बेटा. Cross multiplication हो जाएगा. And after this step, this is 63D. 5 plus this is 5M D minus 5D. Find out करो value of D from this expression. This is equal to 4. This term is equal to 4 upon, check करो students, 4 is equal to 5md माइनस 63 शिफ्ट करोगे बेटा 5 and 63 68d वैल्यू ऑफ डी 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 पुट करो और फाइंड आउट करके इक्वेट करो पुट करो बेटा और इक्वेट करो वैल्यू ऑफ डी फ्रॉम दिस एक्सप्रेशन इज d is 4 upon 5m minus 8. Similarly, value of d in this expression is 30 upon m plus 1. 4 upon this term, equate करो students, 30 upon m plus 1 is equal to 4 upon 5m minus 8. Cancel हो जाएगा 2 and 15. Multiplication बेटा. 15 into 5, 75m minus, this term is not 8, this is 68, sorry. It's 68. 68 into 15. 15 into 68. This is 120, 90, and 12. 1020. 1020 is the value of multiplication. Is equal to beta आ जाएगी term is equal to 2m plus 2. शिफ्ट हो जाएगा दिस इज 73m इज इक्वल टू 1022 डिवाइड हो जाएगा बेटा वैल्यू ऑफ m हो जाएगी दैट इज इक्वल टू 22 डिवाइडेड बाय 73 73 वन द 73 रिमेनिंग टर्म 27 एंड आई थिंक 73 into 4 272 this is 272 and the remaining answer is 14 means C option is beta your final answer. सी ऑप्शन फाइनल आंसर है काफी इजी क्वेश्चन क्लियर है बेटा नाउ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन बेटा बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है बेटा बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट एनसीईआरटी क्वेश्चन एंड काफी इंपॉर्टेंट होगा आपके पेपर्स के लिए काफी इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन होगा आपके पेपर्स के लिए देखो गिवन है बेटा an plus 1 plus bn plus 1 होल डिवाइडेड बाय an plus bn be the am of a and b am है between a and b therefore an plus 1 plus bn plus 1 whole divided by a raised to power n plus b raised to power n. This is a single am and our single am between two numbers a and b is single am is equal to a plus b by 2. Single am is a plus b by 2. Single am, we know that single am is a plus b by 2 but given am is an plus 1 bn plus 1 upon this number. Therefore, these two terms are equal. In subjective paper, complete multiplication करोगे. Otherwise, for objective paper, beta, for objective paper, we use hit and trial method. We use by using options. We solve it by using option. If we substitute value of n as a 1, numerator is a square plus b square, whole divided by a plus b means if we substitute value of n is equal to 1 our term is a square plus b square whole divided by plus b not equal to this term means first option possible nahi hai. If we substitute n is equal to minus 1 therefore this is a raised to power 0 b raised to power 0 denominator a power minus 1 b power minus 1 that is equal to 2 upon 1 by a plus 1 by b again this is not equal to this term means n minus 1 भी possible नहीं है. If we substitute n is equal to 0, substitute करो बेटा a power 1, b power 1, a power 0, b power 0. This is equal to a plus b upon 1 plus 1 is 2. This term is equal to this term है बेटा. Therefore, C option, direct option, without any calculation by using option, directly answer आ गया बेटा. C option is your final answer. बहुत इजी क्वेश्चंस हैं, बहुत ही इजी टॉपिक है एएम और आपके फर्स्ट टर्म के लिए काफी इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक भी होगा. नेक्स्ट वीडियो में मैं आपके लिए लेके आऊंगा इसी सीक्वेंस सीरीज को कंटिन्यू मतलब जीपी टॉपिक आपके लिए लेके आऊंगा. थैंक यू स्टूडेंट्स.